Alright, this is a 12.3 day 2 video by Jared Cass and Danny Mankey. Okay, we only have to do one, I'm pretty sure. Or, yep, only one for this one, so that's pretty exciting. So I had to find the surface area of the pentagonal pyramid with the height of 6 and the radius of 4. So, we're gonna start by trying to find, we gotta find the bottom and the side length, so that we can plug that into our, so that we can get that later. So that, because we're gonna need those values. So we gotta find like what the angle is like in that thing, and we're gonna, so 360 divided by 5 divided by 2, this gets us 32 or 36. So that's what the little angle is gonna be in that thing. So that way we can use trigonometry to solve. So the sine of 36 is going to be x over 4, and then the cosine is going to be of 36. It's going to be a. It kind of looks like a 9, but it's going to be a over 4. So then we just solve those. So it's going to be x is going to be 4 sine 36, and a is going to be 4 cosine 36. So then side 1, I believe I do that next. Is just going to be 2 double x. So that's just going to be doubling the 4, so that's going to be 8 sine 36, and then after that I do the perimeter, and the perimeter is just going to be the 8 sine 36 times 5, which would then be 40 sine 36. So that's the perimeter. And so then that's all we need for the area of the base, which is key for finding the surface area. So then I'm just going to plug that into, so the area of the base is going to be half times the base times the bottom, or the perimeter times the bottom. So that's going to be half of 40. So yeah, so I think I'm going to write now. So yeah, area is going to equal half of, or 1/2 of 40 sine 36 times 4 cosine 36. That goes in with like the area of any regular pentagon is half the perimeter times the bottom. So that's how we get, that's where that, all those numbers are just plugged in then. And then we need to find, so that is going to be the area, and then the other surface area is 1/2 the perimeter times something, times the slant height, so then we're gonna get that. So then we gotta solve for that. So we gotta solve for the slant height. We gotta take like the Potham triangle. So it's gonna be like the Potham's gonna be the base, and then the height's gonna be that. So it's gonna be LHA, and then we plug in what we know. So it's gonna be 6, and then 4 cosine 36 on one side. So then we're just gonna use Pythagorean theorem to find out what L is. So once we get that L plugged in, so L is gonna be the square root of 36 plus 4 cosine 36. Alright, so then we're going to take that and plug that back also into the formula of so like the surface area of the pyramid is, so it's going to be 1/2 the perimeter times the Potham plus 1/2 the perimeter times the slant height. So then we plug in what we know, so we know that so that's like the area is the 1/2 40 sine 36, 4 cosine 36, and then we're going to add on half and then the half 40 sine 36, then the square root 36 plus 4, or 36 times cosine 36 squared. It's a lot to plug into a calculator, I know, but it's all, yep, 36 plus 4 cosine 36. But yeah, but that's what it is, because it's the greatest problem ever. But yeah, so then we're just going to get an approximate value of 118.181, and that's the smiley face.